Let me give you an anecdote. During Buddha's previous life, if you read in Jataka tales, previous lives of Lord Buddha, he was a passenger on a ship with 499 other passengers. But he was a high-level bodhisattva practicing. And he had some clairvoyant powers. This is Buddha's previous life. And he recounted those tales, by the way. When you become a Buddha, you can remember your previous lives. He recounted those tales. So, as he recounted, that he was on a ship, and there was 499 other passengers, and they were going for a destination. There was one person on there who was a bandit, a murderer, and a killer, and a thief, who lives off killing people and taking their possessions. And Buddha clairvoyantly knew. And there was no escape for anybody because they're on the ship. So Buddha had to kill the person or to let it go to so-called be a great compassionate being. So he thought to himself, if I let them die, that's not very compassionate. And also the person killing will create a lot of negative karma. So both parties suffer at the expense of my enlightenment. That's not enlightenment. I'm not getting enlightened because I know this is going to happen. I'm not stopping it. The Buddha, out of great compassion and love for the person, the killer, that he doesn't suffer more negative karma and the repercussions of killing. And also the 498 people will not suffer, and that their families won't get repercussion. With great prayer and good motivation, he killed the person. He killed him. So in between the final lifetime, he took rebirth in hell for that. He took rebirth, Buddha Shakyamuni took rebirth in hell, he said, for a few minutes and came out immediately. The action is negative, but it's washed down to nothing because the motivation is very sincere. Very, very sincere. So we have to kill, if we absolutely have to kill to save a group of people, whatever. Oh my goodness. Right on cue. My. If you kill, I thought he was clapping, but he's not. He's killing. My. That's another nice check on your negative karma side. All right. Disturbing individual. All right. I don't rejoice in your action, but anyways. If you kill out of necessity, out of pure compassion and good motivation, there is negative karma, but it's much less. Much less. Even high lamas sometimes in Tibet, they come across very powerful spirits that no matter what kind of control, they will not listen. No matter what bargain you make with them, they will not listen. They disturb villages, kill and harm. So these lamas have to ritually kill them. They have a ritual called Fire Puja Jinset, where through the power of the concentration of the lama, they invite these beings down into the ladle and they throw them into the fire and they kill them. When they kill them, but the thing is, it's killing out of motivation that these beings don't suffer, and this spirit doesn't collect more negative karma for himself, but he instantly takes rebirth in one of the Pure Lands by the power of the lama's meditation. So he kills, but there's no negative karma in that. So, situational, we have to observe and see. Situational. There's no one hard and fast rule for everyone, but the general rule is killing is negative. Because killing is cherishing yourself more than the other.